I thought we had this video on the channel because we've made a lot of written content about how to remove negative Reddit posts, and it's helped a lot of people. They've contacted us. I've done many sales walkthroughs with potential clients, telling them about how to suppress Reddit content, working with new clients. I looked on the channel today, we don't even have a video about it. So we're going to talk about how to suppress negative content in Reddit or outright remove it. At the very beginning, we're going to jump into it. You have to see if it's totally defamatory or if it's not defamatory, okay? What do I mean by totally defamatory? Because everybody's sitting at the other end of this, wherever you're watching me right now, likely on YouTube, you're going, oh, it's defamatory. I'm a great person. Someone wrote crap about me. It's totally defamatory. It's not like that. I'm talking about, is this post saying like, oh, this person had a lawsuit, or, you know, they're giving you a bad review, or it's kind of truthful, but they're kind of negative? That's not defamation. Defamation is like outright insanity. You're looking here and they're saying you're a criminal and you hurt people and you're a druggie, and they're saying like just making stuff up. That's defamation. So you need to understand, does it fall into the defamation camp, or does it fall into the camp where, okay, it's pretty negative, it's kind of embellished, it's not really true? Those are different, okay? If it lands in the first one, you need to report that post many, 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 many times. Even if it doesn't, you need to report that post many, many times. Maybe 100 or 200 or 500 times from different IP addresses from all over the world. Same region is fine, but we need to send the signal to Reddit that this post is being reported many, many different times from many different people. And if that account does not have a lot of history behind it, which it often doesn't, the post will disappear, okay? It also may never disappear. So I don't want you to be confused. There's a good chance it might disappear, but it might also never disappear. So you want to, in tandem, at the same time, create positive content to suppress Reddit. If there is no activity on that post, you can suppress Reddit with press releases. Okay, that is one of the most effective strategies today to suppress Reddit. In the immediate, it might come back up again. Okay, so we want personal websites, we want different things. But if your name is slandered on Reddit, the post is sitting there on the first page of Google for your name or your business name, one great thing that you can do is write long form content, build a website, suppress it in search. Great, but press releases are instant. The moment they go live, they'll rank on Google. They will eventually drop or fluctuate, but if you do 5 or 10 or 15 press releases, you will get that off page one. And then you can look at building the website, insulating it with some media that will actually stay there. Google doesn't love showing tons of press releases forever. Eventually they assign them a lower priority. So, but you can do that in the immediate. If you have people who are just Googling you or doing some very light due diligence, press releases, hit the press with many press releases, and it will help you. Now again, about reporting. As I mentioned, in the past, if the Reddit account was completely new, only 1 or 2 posts on it, this was a negative post, that's how you do a removal, okay? You continuously report the post. Sounds like there's no tactic behind it, but it does work because it triggers the spam filters. You can also report it to Reddit through the reporting button. So instead of just saying, hey, this is harassment, you can try different things, but continue doing it again and again. It's not very easy to reach Reddit and to get somebody to remove it unless you have a contact. We used to have a contact, now we don't. So it really depends. We will use a combination of suppression, and we'll also attempt to remove it this way. We have people who do this for us. We also work with another agency that can hit the removals more often than we can just manually in-house. So we do this and we ensure and guarantee the suppression. And that's been our tactic. If you replicate this internally, it's going to help you as well. My name is Nadernejad. This has been how to suppress Reddit. Check the description down below. I'll provide a link to the blog post. It goes in further detail. It even talks about one of our case studies. And if you want to chat with me, all you have to do is click the calendar link down below and I'd be happy to meet with you. Thanks for watching.